It may be the thick of winter where you are, or it may be starting to seem like spring. But one thing is certain, summer is coming. And that means dirt, pollen, mildew, bug nests, spider webs, and bird droppings on surfaces that you'd rather have nice and clean. There's only one way to efficiently clean outdoor surfaces, and that's with a pressure washer, a high-powered blaster that uses less water to do its work than if you attempted it with just a garden hose and nozzle. But some do the job better than others, and of those, each has its strengths. We tested more than a dozen to determine which are worth the money. Number 3. Ryobi RY142300. The Ryobi is a journeyman machine, one that delivers consistent soaping and washing performance. It's stronger than the Karcher, above, and Sun Joe, below, and about equal to the Craftsman. It's much heavier than the Craftsman, though most of that weight difference is attributable to its physically larger motor. We suspect that the Ryobi is the more durable of the two machines, again owing to that big bruiser of a motor. Our only complaint with this otherwise fine pressure washer is its spray wand mount on the handle. All it takes is one good bump to knock the wand off. It's very irritating. Number 2. Works WG604. Here's what we like about this Works. It's small, light, rolls easily, and is reasonably resistant to tipping. Its hose reel works well. As to its cleaning ability, it punches above its weight class, moving it surprisingly close to the mid-duty end of the spectrum despite its low sigh and flow. Given those small numbers, we were surprised at how productive it is. We plugged the turbo nozzle in and cleaned 30 feet of sidewalk in no time, blasted off the front stoop, cleaned out some baggy cobwebs that formed around the front door and its overhang, reeled the hose back, unplugged the thing, and called it a day. Number 1. Generac 8874. The Generac is classified as a residential pressure washer, but it's a different category of machine, closer to the commercial end of the spectrum. Pick up the spray wand on this thing, and it becomes clear very quickly. The big engine and equally large horizontal shaft pump have more than enough oomph to tackle tough cleaning jobs. We also liked the thermal relief valve that discharges water from the pump after 3 to 5 minutes of the spray wand not being used. By helping the pump run cooler, you extend its life. In terms of power, consider this demonstration. We blasted clean a portico by holding the spray wand at about 45 degrees and, as we walked forward, the combined air blast and water blast simultaneously cleaned the brick surface and blasted out loose debris like sand and leaves.